Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And when you trace something, somebody commented on Facebook that they've jumped from 2017 to 2020 in version. And in 17, it didn't do this. So if you trace, and we're just going to trace this, not do anything, outline, trace, clip art, it gives you two copies. And the trace version is normally on top. She said her old version, she didn't have to do that. So that's just a setting. So let's click on it, go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace, Clip Art. And if you're not going to use it, you can do a large preview. You can actually do a wireframe preview. I like the before and after, and I actually like keeping the original. But if you don't, if you'll click right here, delete the original, and then when you hit OK, there's only one copy. Now, why I would not want that, because I want to be able to see what it looks like when I move it away. If I need to change some colors, my original is still there. And you can actually see the wireframe mode in there. And we'll just go ahead and make a yellow box, fill it with yellow, object, order, back of page. And you can see that my trace version has taken out the white, which you need to either leave in or take away to trace this. And I just did this almost the exact same dog. I think this is not as good a one as I was doing. So that is just a setting. And I've never really done this, so I'm not 100% sure. Tell you what, let's leave that dog. Let's delete this. And I bet you if you go to Trace, Outline, Trace, Clip Art, and pick that right there and trace it, and then if you go to Tools, Save as Default, and just have everything checked, I bet you the next time, let's just bring in this new dog. I'd actually turn him around for some reason. Trace, Outline, Trace, Clip Art. It's already checked. So I think that's going to be there. I'm not 100% sure when you close down the, let's just tell you what, let's close down this page completely. Let's start a whole new page. New, right click, paste. And you can see how little it is, which is the dog I did the other day was much bigger when somebody sent it to me. But then click on it, Trace, Outline, Trace, Clip Art, and you can see it's still checked. So whatever you check, and if you save it as default, and there's other options. You can go and average the color, replace the first selected color, merge, use the last. You know, there's a bunch of settings you can set. And, you know, I like the before and after. Now, having the large preview is pretty nice, so you can see it, but I'd rather see what it looked like before and after. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.